Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Robin from Roamingwithrover. And today is day 10 of the 12 days of Christmas. Day 10. And today we have cinnamon chai spiced black tea. This should be a good one. Should be a good one. Let's get this open. Get her cooking. All right. Ooh, hot, 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 hot. I remembered my spoon. Oh yeah, that smells good. That's got a lot of big chunky things in it. This is gonna be wonderful. Oh, I can see the cinnamon. It's like they took a cinnamon stick and broke it up in here. Oh, this looks good. Yum, yum, yum. Oh, I'm going to wish there was more of that one. I can tell right now. Okay, what do we got? What do we got? Cinnamon chai spiced black tea. Black tea, cinnamon, and cardamom. That's it. That is it. So we've got 50% black tea, 30% cinnamon, and 20% cardamom. This is going to be a good one. This is going to be a good one. Okay. So let that soak a little bit. How did your guys' day go yesterday? Mine was... I had a rough day yesterday. I had a rough day. If you guys remember, I started out feeling a little bit overwhelmed with my project. Was having lots of problems with my project, and it was getting the best of me. The project was getting the best of me, and I was trying to figure out how to make it work, how I could figure out the problem. And all day long I thought about it. It was in the back of my mind. It was bouncing around in the back of my mind all day. And I finally, I didn't figure a workaround, but I figured out a way to figure it out. I couldn't figure out the stitch because I couldn't see what I was doing. And I finally decided to put the project away, get a different yarn and a different hook, a bigger yarn, a great big chunky yarn, and a great big hook, and do the stitch up that way so I could see what I was doing. And whoa, what a difference that made. All the difference in the world. So by looking at something from a different angle, it made it very, very clear what I needed to do. Completely clear what I needed to do. And it showed me that it wasn't perseverance, absolutely perseverance, but not just perseverance, because if I had kept trying to do the same thing with the same process, I would not have figured it out. I wouldn't have gotten anywhere. It was by looking at the problem from a different viewpoint is what finally allowed me to figure out the answer. So that's what I have to do. I have to not keep trying to do well, you know what they say, doing the same thing over and over again is insanity. So you're doing the same thing over and over and again and expecting different results is the definition of insanity. So by doing it differently got me those different results, got me the results I needed. It's still tricky doing it in my original project. It still doesn't look like what it looks like in all the training videos, and I don't know why, but it's better, it's easier, and I'm getting there. but I did figure a workaround just by stepping back, looking at it from a different angle. So that's what I have to force myself to do, is not to keep hitting the wall, pounding my head against the wall. I have to step back and see if there's a different way of looking at it. And that's kind of a way of life too, isn't it? Sometimes we have to look at things from a different angle, look at things from a different point of view, maybe somebody else's point of view, and see if that gets us closer to an answer. All right, let's check out this tea. Oh my Lord, this looks good. Oh, it's really dark. It smells heavenly. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, this is so good.
Better than gin and tonic?
Oh, this is so good. We have today for us, we've got, well, it's Wednesday, so that means Rad Girls. Rad Girls Live every Wednesday at 10 o'clock Pacific. If you haven't caught one of those yet, please, I hope you can come by and catch one of those every Wednesday. That is good. And then, of course, every Monday night is bingo every Monday night at 4:30 Pacific. And starting this Sunday at 7 a.m. Pacific, we are going to be starting the knit along, which is it's going to be the Underground Crafters Anthology. It is a knit along of squares. They're 6-inch squares. So even if you're a beginning knitter, this is something you should be able to do. I hope you'll join in. This is so good. If you are not a knitter and just want to join in and visit with us, just hang out and visit with us, you are more than welcome to do that as well. Come and hang out and see how we're doing, and encourage us or laugh at us, whatever you're inclined to do. And so the lives for those are going to be 7 a.m. Pacific. So lots of chances for you to come and visit with us, and I hope you will do so. Thank you so much for joining in today. I hope you've got a chance to enjoy a cuppa and sit for a few minutes and relax. We'll see you guys tomorrow. So good. Bye-bye.